Oh, hey, Plymell. Didn't see you there. Welcome to Plymell News.
Mwah.
On Friday, November 8th, 2019, at Plymell Elementary, we had a hero breakfast. The rescue helicopter from Garden City Hospital came. Officers came and so did firefighters. It was a success. Thank you to the Garden City first responders and all the first responders in the world. On Monday, it was Veterans Day, and all of us here at Panther Studios want to say thank you to all the veterans, retired or not.
On November 12, 2019, there was an outstanding NCAA men's basketball game. The Evansville Purple Aces versus the Kentucky Wildcats. The Kentucky Wildcats are one out of 25. Evansville, a no-name school, beat the Kentucky Wildcats 67 to 64.
According to the Food Network, the famous Thanksgiving food for each state are Kansas's is cranberry salad, Oklahoma's is papilla cheesecake, Texas's is a turkey tortilla soup, Iowa's is pumpkin bars, New York's is butternut squash soup. If you want to find out all the state's Thanksgiving dishes, go to foodnetwork.com. Don't forget, this weekend, the sequel of the hit smash Frozen will be released. Do you know what it's called? That's right, Frozen 2. Dads, take your children. I'm sure you'll love all the songs that will be stuck in your head for the rest of your life.
Let it go, let it go.
Don't say I didn't tell you. This week, Plymell hosted a Thanksgiving feast prepared by our own school staff. The menu included turkey, mashed potatoes and gravy, corn, and sweet dessert. I'm so hungry.
On December 10th, we will hold a live special to celebrate reaching 100 episodes of Panther Studios. Join us as we look back at our best and funniest moments spanning 4 years.
As of now, the KU Jayhawks basketball record is 1 win and 1 loss. The K-State Wildcats record is 2 wins and no loses. Woo! Neither team is currently ranked in the top 25 in football. K-State has a record of 6-3. KU has a record of 3-6.
2019, there was an...